was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much here. Hello from the outside, at least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Must have called 1,000 times to tell you and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. And there's this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really love me though, I'm just on the radio. And I'm not gonna tell you that I'm over it, 'cause I think about it every night, I'm not sober. I know I keep these feelings to myself, but I don't need nobody else. But you're not the only one on my mind. You're finally in on me.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part is down below. This spread came together so great. I love the polka dot to the top and the cool tones of the blue. Blue happens to be one of my favorite colors, so this spread is just perfect to me, and I love like the office vibes that it has. And if you're interested in this kit or something like it, this kit is from Eclectically Emily. I will have her shop link down below, so if you're interested in getting a treat from her shop, you can go do that. If you want to see the behind the scenes of how this spread came together, I will have the pre-plan with me linked at the end of this video, so you can see the behind the scenes of this spread. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week I will be using another Eclectically Emily kit, and this is actually an old kit that I used last summer, and I have a whole bunch of leftovers from it, and it's enough to make another spread. So I will be doing a part 2 of the Naturally Chic spread. If you're interested in seeing that, I will have the plan with me link in the iCard above, so you can go check that out. And if you're interested in seeing when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this is Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!